Hey guys, Ryan from Pro Pacific here with Hanging Out with Chef Wade. We all know how important it is these days to have touchless solutions as an owner-operator. We wanted to talk to you guys today about the touchless Faema X20.
Which means that you can actually use your cell phone, put in your drink order, and then go to the machine and it'll be ready for you.
Holds up to about 150 drink recipes too, which is pretty cool. So if you guys are looking for some more information, reach out directly to us or go onto our website. Thanks guys.